Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple golf game on Scratch. So we're going to be making something like this, where it's a simple ball that moves around a golf table, or it's basically mini golf. So you want to get to the hole, and when you do, you go to the next level. And this level is pretty simple since it's just walls and your ball, but then you can add things that kill you, or water or sand, things like that. But today I'm just going to be showing you how to make a simple game like this. So yeah, this level is a bit more difficult since it has more walls, and I think if I manage to get through slowly, then I will be able to, I win the game, and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this from scratch. So first, we want to create our sprites. We can get rid of the scratch cat, and we can make ourselves a ball. So let's start off with a white ball with maybe a gray outline. I think that's a pretty good replication of a ball. So let's hold down shift so that's a perfect circle, and let's just zoom in a bit. Yeah, I think that's a good size for a ball. And now we can get to making our hole, which I think I'll just make it an oval, which is black, and then put a little flag on it. Not gonna spend too much time on making it look good, but yeah, I think that's pretty okay. Let me just make it slightly bigger. Yeah, there we go. Then let's make a little flag so that it actually looks like a hole. So, a flag, I think that's a bit too thin. Let me increase thickness and fill it in with my paintbrush. You can obviously make it look way better, but I'm just trying to go through the drawings real quick. So yeah, we have our hole, and another sprite is going to be our trail, but for the trail we're actually going to be using Scratch's pen tool, so we can just leave it blank. And if you want to name these, you can. It's good to stay organized. But yeah, then now we want to make all our levels. I made 3 in the demo, but then I'm just gonna make 2 for this one, and you can add as many as you want. And of course you can add things that kill you and make you go to the start, and maybe you can add sand, which slows you down. But yeah, the possibilities are endless. It's your choice what you want to make, but today we're just gonna be making something simple as I showed in the demo. So let me just get a blue color to fill it in the background, and then we can create our board using rectangles. So let me just get a few brown rectangles. Okay, we don't need an outline there. So we got one there, one here. Okay, let's make it equal here. So let me just copy and paste this to the other side, and copy and paste this one. And yeah, we kind of have a map. Let me just even it. Yep, there we go. And I will be grouping these so that I can change the size together. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good board. Definitely way thicker than what we had in the demo, but you can change that. And let's make the inside green. Yeah, I'll just put more of the inside green so that we don't change the thickness. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good, I think. And then let me duplicate these to make more levels. I'll be making something similar to what I showed in the demo, but you can make anything you want. Make sure the color is the same though. And yeah, there we go. Yep, there we go. So those are gonna be our 2 levels and our you win screen, which I'm literally just gonna type you win. Oops, I have caps lock on. and you can put that in the center of your screen. You can make it look nice, but I'm just gonna work with that now. And yeah, I think we have all that we need. We can get to making the code. So first we want to make the ball actually move around and bounce off the walls and, you know, just work like a golf ball. So let's start off with a when clicked flag, and then we want it to go maybe over there where it is right now whenever we start the game. So yeah, let's just make it go there and show. And then forever, we want to check if the user is clicking his mouse. So if mouse down, let's go ahead and do that. If mouse down, then we want to repeat until the user doesn't have his mouse down. So not mouse down. We want to do this while the user has his mouse down. We want to point towards the mouse pointer. Point towards the mouse pointer and rotate 180 degrees. And then we want to see the distance between the mouse pointer to know how fast you want it to go. So let's get an if else statement and put distance to mouse pointer. Okay, that's in sensing. Distance to mouse pointer is less than 120. Then we need a force variable, and we can set it to force. Yeah, we can set force to distance to mouse pointer divided by 3. And set force to 40 otherwise. And then we need another repeat until statement to make the ball move and lose momentum on the way. So repeat until. Okay, we put it down there. Yep. Repeat until force is less than 1. We want to move a certain amount of steps. This block basically moves in the direction it's pointing in, which is good because we need to move to where we aim with the mouse. So move force divided by 4 steps. And if it's on edge, we bounce. Of course, it's not gonna be on the edge of the screen, but in case it does, we want it to not go through out of our screen. So yeah, let's just do if on edge bounce. And we want to check for collision using a custom block. Let's just name it collision. I don't think I spelled that right, but it doesn't matter. It's collision, and then we can have that over here. And we want it to not go through. And also reduce speed. So let's just put it in 3 times and change force by minus 0.5. Then at the end we set force to 0. Okay, so let's define collision. So we wanna go to the next level if it collides with the flag. So let's just make the flag go here. Let's quickly code the flag. So the flag's code is going to be pretty simple for now. We'll add on to it later, I guess, but let's just make it go there when the game starts and show. And if you need to change that, we'll do it later. But yeah, let's just make that now. And then let's go back to defining collision. So if it's touching sprite 2, which is our hole. Again, you can rename your sprite so that's easier to recognize. Then let's make a message called next level and broadcast that. And then if we're touching color of the wall. Then we want to change x by force divided by 2. And if we're touching, let's put another if inside that. If we're touching that color, and we point in direction times -1, so that's the opposite direction, so light bounces off. Direction times -1, and change x by force by 2 times -1. Yep, there we go. Times -1, and we can put that there. Then now we need to duplicate this and do the same for the opposite. So you put this here and put this there. And then now we need to do the same for y. So let's duplicate that. Oops, put it in the wrong spot. And for y, it's slightly different. So yeah, we can put this, let's just organize it a bit and duplicate this. And then for y, we get the y block instead. So change y by force divided by 2, and change y by that. And then, oh yeah, this is supposed to be in here. Yeah, there we go. And there is one small difference. We rotate 180 degrees, and we do the same here. And I think at the end it would be better if we stop the script. And I think it should work. Yeah, it does. So now we have a ball that bounces off. Oops, that went through. Let me just check if it bounces off or not. Okay, sometimes it bounces off. Let me just check what might have went wrong. Okay, I got what we did wrong. We forgot to change this to y. That was my bad. So yeah, remember to change these to y. Let's put that there, and yeah, I think that goes there. Yep. And now hopefully does not go through. Yep, it works now. Does not go through the walls. And oh, it seems to, okay, yeah, it should probably broadcast next level, but we didn't make it do anything when it broadcasts next level. So yeah, that didn't do anything yet. But yeah, but now it's kind of missing the trail. You kind of have no idea how much force you're giving it. So we should be adding that now. So let's go to our trail sprite. I haven't really named it, so it's just named Sprite 3. But yeah, let's go to our trail sprite and make our trail. So you first want to get our pen, since we're going to be using pen for this. And when the green flag is clicked, we want to erase everything. And if we put our mouse down, so if we're clicking, then we want to go to our golf ball. So let's go to Sprite 1, because that's the name of our golf ball, and point towards the mouse pointer. And then we want similar code, so we want to check the distance, 120, and distance from mouse pointer. Okay, yeah, there we go. And set. Let's make another variable called hashtag basically the number, then set hashtag to distance to mouse pointer, and otherwise set it to 120. So the size of the trail is going to be according to the distance, and we want to set pen size. Let's set our pen size. Yep, there we go. Set our pen size to number or hashtag divided by 5. So we're making those mini balls behind our ball to make them seem like a trail. And then we set our pen color to white. There we go. And then we want to move hashtag divided by 5 steps. There we go. And pen down. And then put our pen up again. And then we change the pen size to hashtag divided by 6, making it smaller. We don't need that again. Then we can move that many steps because it's like equal distancing, and put that there. Then we can do that with 7, 8, and 9, I think. So 7, 8, 8, and 9. And hopefully our trail, okay, that's pretty strange. I think I got our issue. We did go to mouse pointer instead of point towards mouse pointer. So let's go ahead and do that. And yep, I think it works now. Yep, we got our trail. Looks pretty good, I think. And yep, there we go. And let's make it let's make it actually win when it gets to the hole, because right now it just goes through. Yep. Okay, so I think we can add that to the balls code. So when I receive the next level, we can set our force to 0. We don't want it moving. And according to the backdrop number, if backdrop number is backdrop number is 2, then I guess we could just make it go back to the same area again, unless you have different spots. So I think in the backdrop though, we should make it go to the next backdrop when next level. So when clicked, switch to backdrop 1. I think that's our initial. And then yeah, we can do that in the holes code, I guess. So forever, just do when I receive next level, next backdrop. I guess that will work. Next backdrop. Yep, that works. Yep. And yeah, let's just get rid of the thing when it gets to the, yeah, let's get rid of the ball and the flag in the UN screen. We don't want that. So let's do yeah, let's do if over here, let's do if the backdrop is the UN screen, which I believe is backdrop 3. Then oops. Then we hide and do the same thing over here. Do not want to write that again, just put it in here. And let's replay our game. This time in full screen. Oops, I missed the hole. There we go. Yep, there we go. So yeah, you can, of course, this is really short, but you can add more levels and more features. But yeah, that's how you make a simple golf game. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.